Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix TikTok not working issue on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max series. So guys, if you are facing issue with TikTok not working on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max, you can try several troubleshooting steps to resolve the problem. Here are some common solutions. First of all, you have to check TikTok server status. Before trying any troubleshooting steps, it's good idea to check if TikTok is expressing server issues. Sometimes the problem may be on TikTok's end and you won't be able to fix it from your device. You can check TikTok's official social media accounts or use a website like downdetector.com to see if others are reporting similar issues or not. After this you are still facing the same issue, then you have to restart TikTok app, close the TikTok app completely and then reopen it. Simply open your TikTok app and then close it and try reopening it and see if it's worked or not. If it still doesn't work and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to update TikTok app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of TikTok app. Outdated versions can sometimes cause issues. Simply go to App Store, then tap on search. Tap here, search here TikTok. Tap on TikTok, and if an update is available, tap update and update your TikTok. After updating your TikTok to the latest version and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to check internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone 15 is connected to a stable and active internet connection either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Sometimes poor network connectivity can lead to TikTok not working properly. After checking your internet, then you have to check for iOS update. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Outdated iOS versions may have compatibility issues with the app. Simply go to your settings, then tap on General, tap on Software Update to check for update. If there is any update available for your iPhone 15, then simply update your iPhone 15 to the latest version of iOS. Then updating your iOS and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to install and reinstall TikTok. If none of the step works, try installing TikTok and then installing it from the App Store. This can help resolving issues related to corrupted app files. Simply tap and hold on your TikTok app and then tap on remove app and delete app and then go to App Store and then reinstall it. After applying this all solution, you are still facing the same issue, then you have to contact TikTok support. If the problem persists and it's not related to server issues or app glitches, you can reach out to TikTok's support team for assistance. They can provide more specific troubleshooting steps or insight into the issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.